Welcome to this HeatCond2D tutorial where in this example, we will model a can of drink as a solid circle. In the section page, set the input unit to millimeter and select the solid tab. Tap on the section template icon to open the section template. Tap the circular section button, enter the dimension D0 of 66 mm and tap the scribble icon. Toggle on the thermal toggle button to access the thermal page. Tap on the mesh icon to access the mesh properties page. Tap on the quad section button for symmetry modeling. Select the southwest corner button. Tap the OK button to return to the mesh properties page. Tap on mesh configuration to access the mesh configuration page. Under trial mesh size, input 1 mm for del X and del Y respectively. Tap the generate button to return to the mesh properties page. Under solid material, tap the drop-down menu user defined and select water. Set the initial temperature to 20 degrees Celsius. Check under stability check that there are 4 green ticks. Tap the OK button to generate the mesh and return to the thermal page. If not automatically turned on, toggle on the node toggle button to display the external nodes. Note that when the external nodes are shown, the toggle button will state node EXT, toggle on the pick toggle button. The toggle button text will change from pick single to pick group. Single tap on the chart to form a band around the nodes at the left-hand side of the section. Tap on Select to close the band when finished. All selected nodes will be highlighted in red. Tap the boundary icon to access the node boundary conditions page. Set the exposure type to node temp and enter the temperature of 4 degrees Celsius under applied node temp. Tap the OK button to apply the temperature to the external nodes and return to the thermal page. Tap on Unselect to unselect all the external nodes. The external nodes with the applied boundary conditions will be marked. Toggle off the Pick toggle button. The toggle button text will change from pick group to pick single. Tap an external node of the section to view the node data. Tap on Unselect to unselect the node. Tap the desktop icon to access the simulation data page. Set the solver to transient and enter a runtime of 3600 seconds. Set the plot interval to 30 seconds. Select the node at the center of the circle and tap the OK button to return to the thermal page. Tap on the Run button to run the heat transfer analysis. A dialog box to confirm running the analysis will appear. Tap the OK button on this dialog box to run. The results page will automatically show up after the analysis is completed. Otherwise, tap the thermometer icon to access the results page. Tap the center of the node of the circle to obtain the temperature of the node at the end of the runtime. Tap the scissors icon to slice. The temperature plot horizontally and vertically. Tap the horizontal and vertical slice charts to obtain the temperature at a particular location. Tap the uptrend chart icon to access the time history page. Tap the items in the list to plot the result on the chart. Tap selected items in the list to hide the plot. Double tap the node ID text to convert the time to second. Double tap the X text to convert the time to minute. Double tap the Y text to convert the time to hour.